What's up, y'all? Okay, so this is Jason. We have a 97 Camaro here, and we put some windshield wipers on. So what we have here is a 93 through 97 had the reverse J-hook, which I don't like, which limits your options a lot on what kind of windshield wipers you can put on. I've got something I need to work on here about some scratches in this window. But it really limits the options on what kind of wipers you can put on the car with a reverse J-hook. I bought some new ones. I had bought some windshield wipers, and AutoZone's website said they were the correct ones for the car, but they weren't. And so when I was at Walmart last night, I bought some more of these Rain-X windshield wipers. These are Rain-X, and let's put those on. I took a picture of the book. Now in the book at Walmart, it only said 93. Now I know that's 93 through 97. So it had a thing for 93, and then it listed 98 through 2002 on the Camaros. Let's see which car they're in. Yeah, you're gonna laugh whenever I get in here. I'm going, look at this pile of windshield wipers. I know, I did buy a lot of them President's Day from O'Reilly's. They were buy one, get one free of the Bosch Pure Vision. But they don't have them for the reverse J-hook. So they're the Rain-X Expert Fit. Now it said that this is what came stock. I'm not sure about this length, but that's what it said in the book. So let me take a quick picture of this before I get these out of the box. All right, so when you're doing stuff one-handed, you gotta do what you gotta do. I'm not putting that on the car. It's got enough issues. As you can tell, it needs a bath. It's been through the winter. So what I always do is I always put a towel underneath here. I learned that from my dad many years ago. You don't want this thing to end up popping back and hitting the windshield. So this is the reverse J-hook. Now to remove this, basically all you have to do is grab a hold of it. Now let's see. I'm gonna bring it up. So you have to wiggle it out of there. Like that. Okay, so it went in like this. The Rain-X part was up. The big holes on this end, we'll compare it to see what we've already got. What I've got in this package. Let me open the package. Wow, y'all, that's another fail. So this was Walmart. I've got a picture of the book. I'll show you what it says. It says that 18 inch is what came standard on here. See how that one sits? Do we really want to go with that much less wiper blade? I mean, that's an 18 versus, it says that this is what came stock on here. 6 inches less? Yeah, it's on here because the most it's going to fit on this 91 is a 18. That's the most it's fit on that windshield. It's frustrating, to say the least. I tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to put them on here, and we're going to run the windshield wipers, and we're going to see how much surface area is covered, and we will compare, and if we don't like it, we'll save them to put them on the 91 later on. How about that? I really don't like that. That's another 6 inches. That's ignorant. I mean, I put these on here, but this is what Walmart's book said. It said an 18. Does nobody have their stuff together right? Now see, O'Reilly's, they said they had one called a Trico, I think it was, but they listed it as a 24. Don't they say O'Reilly's is the place to go? All right, let me get this thing put on here. Wow, this can't be real. I mean, it is real. You know what? I'm not doing this. I don't care what Walmart's website says or not. I don't. Yes, I am. What is? It's just so frustrating. Why is it so difficult to get the correct information that you need? I put it on wrong. I guess it's gotta go from under. All right, here we go. Let's try again. We'll go in from under. Boom. You got to go at it from the underside. There we go. Snapped in place. Oh, regular J hooks are so much easier. Now let's see what this looks like. So that's going to come up to about right here, right? I'm going to do both of them. And I'll turn on the wipers and we'll see what an 18 looks like. Okay, passenger side, let's try it again. All right, so that's out. Looks chaotic, doesn't it? Y'all, I really hate setting stuff on top of my car, but I mean, look, it's in bad shape anyway. These are so small. Okay, so go at it from the bottom. Need to tug. Ow. I'm gonna put the phone down and give it this thing. There we go. All right, so I'm gonna remove the towel. I'm gonna get the car. I'm gonna turn the windshield wipers on with the water. And we'll see what this thing looks like, how much coverage we've got. So you ready to see if this is tolerable? Okay. Do you need the vehicle on to run your windshield wiper? Yes. At least on to the on position. Hard anything to crank it. All right, let's check out. I mean, you get less coverage. It's not coming up as far as it was before. Wow, you can see the difference in the line of right here versus right here. But I mean, I'm not looking there. They'll work. So they come up shorter. They come up, look, so the other wipers, the 24s, were coming up above where the mirror is. I'm not looking up there, okay? So, the new ones come to below where the mirror is. I'm 5'10". Now, from where I'm sitting, visor down, it comes all the way over here. No matter what length they are, they're gonna come over here. It's just shortened up the vision on that side. I don't think any cars are gonna be right there unless somebody's coming from that direction. It's gonna be okay. It shortened it up right there in that section there. So, well, we lost about 3 inches right there. That'll be okay. I'm driving in this direction. I'm not looking up there. So I'm not like super tall. It's gonna be fine. I'll use these 18s this time. They're already on the car. Supposedly that book at Walmart, that's what it said that they came factory with. And if I dig back into the recesses of the old brain, it seems like my dad used to say that 18s were stock, but you could use longer if you wanted to. Because I vaguely remember him buying some longer when the 18s weren't available. It doesn't mean that I don't prefer to have some longer. Who doesn't want to have less rain in front of you and everything? But these 18s are on here. They're gonna work. Put on what you want. So 18 to 24 will work. And this is the reverse J-hook, which was used from 93 to 97 on the Camaros. I think the Firebirds too. You would think it would be universal. Appreciate you watching this video. I will cut this car off and I'll deal with this. It'll be okay. Show you the packaging. So this one came from Walmart. It's called Conventional C-18 Rain-X Expert Fit Conventional Blade Technology. Okay, these are considered, the metal ones, old school metal ones are considered conventional. These were 24s that took off the car. So anything in the range of an 18 to a 24, at least I'm pretty sure this 24, it looked like 6-inch difference, didn't it? Anything in the range of a 18 to 24 will work fine. Thank y'all for watching this video on the Camaro, and I hope you have a good day. Thanks y'all. Y'all have a good one. Later.